Our journey begins on banana farms, where strong leaves are cultivated for industrial fiber production.
Check the thickness here. It's fully developed.
Yes.
We'll mark these for the morning harvest to ensure sustainability.
Protective gear and teamwork keep banana leaf harvesting efficient, safe, and consistent across plantations. Collection zones protect banana leaves from moisture and heat before transport to factories.
That's the last bundle for this run. Next truck in 5 minutes.
We'll have this cleared by then.
Harvested banana leaves now leave plantations, beginning their transformation into industrial mesh products. Freshly harvested banana leaves are transported quickly, preserving fiber strength essential for industrial mesh manufacturing.
Okay, pull into Bay 3 right there.
All right, thanks. How many crates today?
We need 20. Quickly now. The next truck is already here.
Be careful with that one. Watch the moisture.
This batch seems perfect for the factory.
Leaves are sorted carefully, matching banana fiber properties with specific industrial mesh requirements.
Weighing systems record banana leaf quantities, supporting accurate inventory and production planning.
Weather's hitting the main route. We have a capacity spike at the factory.
Divert shipments to the northern hub immediately.
Confirmed. The system is updating the new ETA.
Banana leaves now leave agricultural handling, entering industrial systems built for high-volume mesh production. Banana leaves arrive at the factory, marking the transition from transport logistics to industrial processing. Visual inspections eliminate damaged banana leaves before they reach fiber processing equipment. Moisture control prepares banana leaves for smooth movement into mechanical processing systems.
Pre-processed banana leaves are now ready for fiber extraction and the mechanical transformation stages.
Fiber extraction begins as machines separate strong banana fibers from processed leaves. Secondary processing removes residue, improving banana fiber cleanliness and downstream performance. Residual leaf material is removed, keeping banana fiber streams clean and efficient.
Pressure looks low on the west roller.
I see it.
increasing by 5 psi.
Primary processing completes, delivering clean banana fibers ready for advanced mesh manufacturing.
Drying systems reduce moisture, stabilizing banana fibers before durability enhancement treatments begin.
Precise treatment timing strengthens banana fibers while preserving flexibility for manufacturing.
Continuous systems keep banana fiber treatment efficient, stable, and suitable for large-scale manufacturing.
Treated banana fibers exit enhancement lines, ready for mesh formation and manufacturing. Manufacturing begins as treated banana fibers are prepared for hair extension mesh formation. Precision cutting shapes banana fiber mesh into standardized hair extension components.
Curing processes strengthen banana fiber mesh, preparing it for demanding hair extension applications.
Hair extension mesh production concludes, delivering finished banana fiber materials for packaging.
Finished banana fiber hair extension materials now enter packaging systems designed for protection and traceability.
Labeling systems provide essential identification for banana fiber hair extension packaging units. Climate-controlled storage protects banana fiber hair extension materials until shipment or distribution.
Packaged banana fiber hair extension products now stand ready for distribution to global markets.
Finished banana fiber hair extension products now move from storage into global distribution channels.
Loading bays coordinate pallet movement onto trucks and containers. Securing systems stabilize hair extension products during transport.
Export documentation verifies banana fiber hair extension compliance for seamless international market access.
Banana leaf fiber processing transforms agricultural waste into valuable industrial hair extension materials.
Banana leaves complete their journey, becoming sustainable industrial hair extension products for global markets.